Kung pareho silang pang-health, bakit kailangan pang paghiwalay ng HMO at health insurance? Kasi ang HMO usually free galing sa employer. Covered niya ang consultations, diagnostic tests, ER, annual physical exams, and hospital confinements. Pero may annual limit. Usually nasa 100k to 150k lang per year. At dapat within their accredited network of hospitals, clinics, and doctors. Health insurance naman mas malawak at flexible. Pang long-term protection. Ang coverage ay umabot sa 100,000s to millions. Yung critical illness coverage ay may cash benefit na magagamit po for treatment, recovery, tsaka kahit sa daily expenses. Mas marami rin ang hospitals na tinatanggap, hindi lang yung mga accredited. Kung i-compare natin, HMO ay parang yung daily na payong, ready kapag umulan. Yung health insurance ay yung bubong protection para sa malakas na bagyo at masamang panahon. Best setup, kung may HMO ka na, dagdagan mo ng health insurance para covered ka from small to big medical expenses. Sa part 3, makikita natin sa real life scenarios bakit kailangan mo yung pareho. Kaya, follow for more tips.